Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. We went to Dollar Tree. They have all their garden stuff out now, so you might want to get ready to be planting, getting things ready. I made some of these last year as little gates for my planters or for different things, so I was glad to see these back in because I never saw them again once I bought them last summer. But they're out now. You want some? Run to Dollar Tree. They're now $1.25, unfortunately, but that's okay. Okay, all right.
It's
so,
still pretty good for $1.25.
We got a big bag of pot and soil, which I put out in my garage. We got a seed starting pot and mix. Okay, we got some little, like, I guess it's like a little greenhouse that we can start some, I think it's 2-pack, I'm not sure, but anyway, little greenhouse starting kit. We got some sweet basil and thyme. We'll get in the herb garden. We've already got our mint and we have our rosemary. And I got these little pots, which is nice. I thought I got more than these, but evidently maybe they're stuck somewhere. I did. All right, I did get some more of these. I got 4 of these. And I got the little hanging planter chain in case we want to hang them outside to get some sun. Why are you laughing?
No, they're just thinking about the last time we put plants out.
Yeah. We bought an herb garden last summer from Amazon. We probably spent $30. There was a lot of herbs in it and stuff. And I told my daughter, why don't you set it outside on the deck
so that we can get some
so
sun.
we can get some sun. Next thing we know, a storm comes and wipes them out.
Like the wind picked up so fast that before we could even go out there and get it, it blew it off.
Yeah,
and there was no saving it.
They were done. There was
no saving it, and they were growing too. They were doing really good.
All right, I got the taller ones this year in there, which I have always seen the shorter ones. Those are the taller ones. I got this, which it's tea tree oil, which I'm not sure what section I found this in, but I was impressed that they had tea tree oil.
It's probably, instead of our store, it was probably over inside of all the glass. Because where the glass is, if you look farther down, then there's all the essential oils and stuff.
Really? I only saw that one.
It's like in the wintertime they would have way more.
Oh, here's another little planter.
They would have peppermint and stuff.
I thought this was cool too. Like I said, if we were growing something, we could always hang it out on the porch this time and it won't blow away.
Yeah, because it's safe.
Yes.
In a what is this, a macrame plant holder?
Yes, it is. And let's see, I got
it wouldn't be taking up the space on our windowsill.
Well, we got these so when these get, start growing, we'll repot
That's a
them
big
here.
change.
Well, it is. That's probably too big, but they'll probably still grow.
That's big.
Yeah. Okay, I got some cute little ribbons. New little ribbons. I think these are so cute. Okay. It's the Live, Love, Laugh one. And they come in different colors. So I got this color and that color. And then I got this cute little yellow with squigglies on it.
Those are flowers, Mom.
I can't see. I got contacts in. Yeah, but I'm so vain. I'm not going to wear my glasses online because I'm just. Sometimes I don't even. Sometimes I don't even wear my glasses or my contacts. Can't see it all. All right, that's a green one. And this one is got little arrows. I thought this was really cute.
That is cute.
Arrows.
I like that.
And then this one says home, 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 home,
Home.
home.
Home. My favorite place on earth.
Yeah, mine too. Home buddies. Okay, this is sort of off the wall, but I got, I don't know what it is with that one. These are just, off the wall things. They have these little key tags I like to put on my keychain. And the book rings, so if we make little stuff for the kids, we can put them on a ring. She's got a hole puncher that she bought at Goodwill for $2, which we didn't show, but we bought a hole puncher for $2. I bought some They had Sharpies for $1.25, which I think is a good deal. They had ultra fine and they had fine. Got these cute little succulents. They have different colors this year. Well, sort of different colors, but you'll see. There's a lavender or lilac. And there's like a mint. Look how pretty these are. These are really pretty. These were $1.25, so no more Dollar Tree. $1.25. I think these are really cute.
I love this blue one right here.
Like I said, I'm getting my flowers at
Walmart.
these days. They're 97 cents. I'll show you. I did get these heathers from Walmart. I'm just going to throw this in because I saw them sitting here and I thought, you know, 97 cents, everybody. Okay, got some frames because I like to keep frames just to make some cute little DIYs with, you know, greeting cards, and it's a cheap little gift. Not a cheap little gift, but a nice little gift.
Very cute.
Very cute. And I thought these were cute to hang with your photos. It's got the red plaid. I would probably paint the color of the silver, maybe black, but I think these are cute for your kids' room if they want to switch photos out, or even like have little quotes in their room. You can print out quotes and hang them up.
Nah, I'll take photos of Star Wars and Disney characters.
There
Thank
you
you
go.
very
You
much.
can print out those. They have these cute little frames, which I love getting. This one says, "Love you to the beach and back." How cute this would be if you have a little beach theme going on. This one says, "Sweet." Okay, so these are the smaller ones.
I love the sign. This is so cute.
And these are Dollar Tree. I think these are really cute though. This one, Paris, France. Ooh. And of course, one of my favorites, the cow. He is so cute, isn't he? He's cute. You see him a lot at Hobby Lobby. They have the bigger pictures.
They have a lot of animals at Hobby Lobby.
Yeah, they do. Okay, yeah. So here's like, yeah, the pens that I got. They got a crazy lip scrubber if you do sugar on your lips and you want to scrub, then exfoliate them. We found that, which I've never found before.
I feel like after they raised up the prices, they got in a lot more stuff.
Yeah, they sure did.
Like they were all like, you know what, raising the price. Least we can do is at least like bring in some more advanced stuff.
That's true. All right. So I got a bunch of lip balms because I bought the Lanier, the really expensive one. I bought the Burt's Bees, and it really doesn't help my lips. My lips are always dry. So I haven't tried these yet. This is called Lip Smacker. And then I have the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. I haven't tried it yet. And the Medicated Berry Balm by Blistex. Okay, $1.25. Now, my point to get into this, Carmex. I have had this before, and I think this has worked the best for me. So I was real excited to see it there again, and it does work really well for those of you who have chapped lips. I did see a guy come in there one day, and he asked the cashier, "Do you have that Carmex? Because that's the only thing that works for me." And I was thinking, that's the only thing that works for me too. So I am going to try the other three, and I'll figure out if they work as well. But if you want a good lip balm, Carmex at Dollar Tree for $1.25. Okay, I did get, I'm not sure, I like doing pictures with different textures. So I did get like some of these different, God, I love these, the glitters and the confetti, which you can like glue onto your, you know, if you wanted to glue it onto pictures, you want to glue it onto like vases, you know, you can make something out with these, which I always like getting. I did a whole picture frame into a heart, and I think I used those right there. Which ones did I use for the heart? Remember I did the black? I did the background in black, and then I did a heart, and then I put the little confettis into the shape of a heart. And I picked this cute little dream print. It's got little confetti in it, which I think is so cute for a kid's room. I don't think I would change that. I would just give that to one of my kids. Okay, next is Easter. Okay. Easter, Easter, Easter. They have these cute little, look at them, little bunny rabbit buckets. I got 2 in pink for my 2 girls.
But I like blue. No, I'm kidding.
Don't even go there. Alright, got these cute little, I guess they're planters. They're stakes that you can put out in the yard. I usually use them in my DIYs, but look how cute they are. They're cute. Look at little bunnies. One's got carrots, one's got a baby bunny.
I love bunnies.
I do too. We have bunnies in our backyard.
Yeah.
And they had these cute little...
I want a pet bunny, but you don't even like the cat.
I like the cat.
You love the cat. He
Yeah,
just gets on everyone's nerves. I don't like the cat sometimes.
No, the cat doesn't bother me.
He can be mean, though.
Okay, these are your little trucks that they have. Your little Happy Easter and Hello Spring. I think they're cute also.
These are cute.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I love these. The little gnome.
Isn't that cute?
He's so cute. He is so cute.
And speaking of bunnies, look at this guy. Doink, 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 doink.
He looks like the Easter bunny that we see at the mall.
Yeah, he does. He looks like the one that's dressed up that you take pictures with.
Yeah, he does.
I'm not sure what I was going to do with him, but he was just too cute to pass up, to be honest.
It's like, we were there, why not?
And then I got the glitter-based fillers, which I think are so cool to put in your jars. You can even use them when you do some of your flower or your floral arrangements. You can fill your jar up with those and stick some flowers in them. I got, let's see, I'm looking for all my Easter. Got some Easter eggs that are already speckled, so you don't have to speckle yours. Save your counters of speckle paint. I just picked these up. They're cute. We got little packages of bunnies. These are cute that you can paint. So you sort of can create your own little bunnies. And they had the little carrots and the little eggs also. There's 14 of those in that one. 14 little carrots in that one.
This is cute.
Isn't they cute?
Mm-hmm.
And just random, I got some black pom-poms.
What were you going to do with these?
Well, they could be noses, you know.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
true.
Or, you know, you can use them for different things, so I'd pick those up. I think that's it for the, yeah, no, here's, they had these little boards for Easter, so if you wanted to.
Those are cute.
Mm-hmm.
The one with the bunny.
Mm-hmm. And that one. And then I got these. I was thinking about doing like a 3-tier bowl thing with plates or something so that I can, you know, maybe do a fruit bowl, you know. I'm not sure yet. I pick things up just like everybody does and things.
Don't know what you're
Yeah,
gonna do
some
with
people
it.
have it in their head. I'm the type that will buy it and then
It'll
figure
come
out
to you
something
later
to
on.
do with it. Yeah. Okay, so next was I got these wooden. This was Valentine's, but I didn't see these when I really needed them. But I'm probably going to paint over these and just make little tree of life and then just put my kids' names or something like that. Not for Valentine's Day, but just for something else, I'm thinking. So these were really Valentine's that I didn't show before. But I thought this is really good to do like your kids' names or maybe the day, you know, kids' names, maybe their birthdays or, you know. Yeah, isn't that cool? Let's see.
These are cute, though.
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot of glitter, but it's cute.
And I leave, I'll be honest with you, I leave like hearts out year round or love signs out year round. I don't just use them for Valentine's Day, so I thought these were cute. I could leave that one out year round because I do, you know, have sayings and quotes all around my house.
Everywhere.
everywhere.
I
To
read them every
remind
day.
them. Yeah, one time they had one friend that came over and he said he always loved reading all my stuff. What was that?
Mugs.
No.
Jonah?
Jonah.
Yeah, he would stand there and he would read all of them.
Yeah. Which I love.
And I would look over there because I'd be like, why is he standing there? And he would be in front of the windowsill just reading every single sign up there.
Okay, if you go in their craft department, they have little, I guess, galvanized plaques, and they're 3D. So, you know, there's different things that you could do to these too. Like you could take all that glitter and let all that glitter glue in there. That would be cute.
Mm-hmm.
You know, maybe paint it black. They have the heart. And then they have this one, which is a galvanized heart. It's like a metal plaque, and it's galvanized, so add those to your crafts. And then love signs, which I think are cool. You can actually take some of your paper crafts and glue them onto these if you didn't want to paint them. I had like I guess it was a picture of a map, and I glued
Put it on a home sign.
Yep, glued it on a home sign. Speaking of home sign, here it is.
Yeah, that's it.
Yep, that's it. And my last thing is, I believe, St. Patrick's Day is coming up. And since we're Irish, I'll take it. Alright, so I got some beads.
Beads.
Yeah, necklaces, which you can actually use these, and you can actually glue them around your, You know, that would be cute, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And then I got some coins. Coins. I got the 4-leaf clover. I got these also. And this one is probably a heart.
These are cute.
And then I got these cute little signs. One says, "Kiss me, I'm Irish." I think these are good to put on your wood items that you're DIYing, because they actually work really well. This one is, I'm telling you. This one's "Kiss me, I'm Irish."
That's cute. Follow your own rainbow.
And I just want to thank you for watching. If you would hit the subscribe button, the like and notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.